Today, reclaimed wood furniture is at the heart of modern home aesthetics, offering a harmonious blend of eco-responsibility and contemporary design. This trend is more than just a passing fashion, it's a statement of values, a celebration of material history, and a commitment to crafting living spaces that reflect both beauty and integrity. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of modern home furniture ideas made from reclaimed wood. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Reclaimed wood, by its very nature, carries with it stories of the past. Harvested from old barns, factories, ships, or even decommissioned railway tracks, this timber has already served a purpose before finding new life in our interiors. Its weathered textures, unique grains, and natural imperfections tell a tale of resilience and transformation. In the modern home, where clean lines and minimalism often dominate, reclaimed wood introduces a grounding element, a tactile reminder of nature and time that adds warmth and depth to otherwise sleek spaces. This juxtaposition of the old with the new not only creates visual interest, but also infuses rooms with authenticity and soul. One of the most striking ways reclaimed wood is being used in modern interiors is in the creation of statement furniture pieces. Large dining tables crafted from thick slabs of reclaimed oak or pine are not just practical, they become the heart of the home, drawing family and friends together. The organic textures contrast beautifully with metal or powder-coated legs, a combination that feels both industrial and inviting. Coffee tables, too, have taken on new forms. With low profiles, asymmetrical shapes, or mid-century modern silhouettes, reclaimed wood tops add a layer of rustic charm that balances the more polished elements of a living room. The beauty lies in the wood's imperfections, nail holes, cracks, and patterns are preserved, not hidden, celebrating the journey the material has taken to arrive at its new purpose. Bedrooms, once dominated by sleek materials and artificial finishes, are now embracing the warmth of reclaimed wood through bed frames, headboards, and nightstands. A platform bed made from reclaimed beams not only looks stunning, but also creates a calm, grounding presence ideal for restful spaces. Designers often incorporate integrated lighting into headboards or use mixed materials, such as reclaimed wood combined with blackened steel, to elevate these pieces into functional works of art. The layered tones and textures evoke a sense of tranquility, proving that sustainable design can also be luxurious and deeply comforting. In the workspace, where functionality meets creativity, reclaimed wood desks and shelving offer the best of both worlds. Modern homes increasingly accommodate remote work, and the demand for unique, aesthetically pleasing workstations has grown. A reclaimed wood desk, whether custom-built or sourced from a local maker, provides a sturdy and inspiring surface. Paired with minimalist metal frames or floating designs, these desks offer a clean yet character-rich environment that fosters focus and creativity. Wall-mounted shelving units made from thinner planks of reclaimed wood continue the visual narrative, offering practical storage while maintaining a cohesive, natural look. Even smaller furniture items and accents, like stools, benches, side tables, and console units, can carry the spirit of sustainable design. Modular sideboards with sliding barn-style doors, crafted from salvaged wood, sit comfortably in both rustic and ultra-modern settings. Their versatility lies in the details: softened edges, matte finishes, or mixed materials like concrete or glass elevate these pieces beyond mere function. Entryway furniture, often overlooked, benefits greatly from the durability and charm of reclaimed wood. A slim bench or a floating shelf made from aged wood can make a striking first impression, grounding the space with its natural elegance. Beyond individual furniture pieces, the styling of reclaimed wood within a modern home is an art in itself. One of the most effective ways to showcase these pieces is to contrast them with smoother, more refined elements. White walls, matte black accents, or brushed gold fixtures allow the organic qualities of the wood to stand out. Minimalist interiors benefit from the added texture and depth that reclaimed materials bring. Instead of cluttering a space, one or two well-chosen pieces can become the focal point, inviting conversation and admiration. Even in high-contrast environments, like ultra-modern kitchens or industrial lofts, reclaimed wood provides a grounding influence, softening harsh lines and adding a human touch. Sourcing reclaimed wood furniture can be as meaningful as owning it. Many artisans and small studios now specialize in crafting pieces from salvaged materials, often highlighting the origin of the wood used. Whether it's Douglas fir from an old mill or teak rescued from shipwrecks, knowing the backstory adds value to the piece and connects the owner to a wider narrative. DIY enthusiasts can also get involved by sourcing raw materials from architectural salvage yards or renovation sites, turning the creative process into a personal journey toward sustainability. This participatory aspect of reclaimed design is yet another reason why it resonates so deeply with today's conscious consumers. Of course, sustainability doesn't end at choosing reclaimed materials, it extends to how we care for and maintain them. Reclaimed wood furniture, while durable, requires thoughtful upkeep to preserve its natural character. Regular dusting with a soft cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals, and occasionally treating the surface with natural oils can extend its life and maintain its richness. It's a low-maintenance material in many ways, and one that rewards gentle care with lasting beauty. One of the most compelling advantages of using reclaimed wood furniture in modern homes is its positive environmental impact. By repurposing existing wood from old buildings, barns, factories, or shipping pallets, we significantly reduce the demand for newly harvested timber, thereby helping to combat deforestation. This not only conserves natural forests, but also lowers the carbon footprint associated with logging, processing, and transporting new wood. Reclaimed wood is a sustainable choice that gives materials a second life rather than allowing them to end up in landfills, making it an excellent option for eco-conscious homeowners who want to make responsible design choices. Beyond sustainability, reclaimed wood offers a unique and rich aesthetic that cannot be replicated with new, mass-produced materials. Every plank carries its own natural variations, textures, and weathering marks, such as nail holes, knots, and aged patterns, which contribute to its one-of-a-kind character. These imperfections tell a story, lending depth and authenticity to modern interiors that might otherwise feel sterile or overly minimalistic. In spaces where clean lines and neutral palettes dominate, the visual warmth and tactile quality of reclaimed would create a stunning contrast that draws the eye and anchors the room. Another major benefit is the durability and strength of reclaimed wood. Older wood often comes from trees that were allowed to grow slowly over time, resulting in denser, stronger grain patterns than those found in fast-grown commercial lumber today. As a result, reclaimed wood furniture tends to be more robust and long-lasting. It stands up well to everyday use and can be passed down through generations, offering not only durability, but also a timeless appeal that transcends fleeting design trends. This makes reclaimed furniture not just a stylish investment, but a practical one. Reclaimed wood furniture also brings with it a powerful emotional and historical connection. Knowing that your dining table once served as the flooring in a historic barn, or that your bookshelf was built from old factory beams, adds a layer of meaning and narrative to your living space. This sense of heritage and continuity fosters a deeper appreciation for the items we bring into our homes and encourages mindful consumption. In this way, each piece becomes a conversation starter, a functional work of art with a story to tell. Lastly, using reclaimed wood supports local craftsmanship and small-scale artisans, many of whom specialize in working with salvaged materials. These makers often highlight the provenance of the wood and take great care in preserving its character while shaping it into modern, functional forms. Choosing reclaimed wood furniture often means supporting sustainable, community-focused businesses that prioritize quality over quantity. It's a way of investing in thoughtful design while also contributing to a more circular, ethical economy. Moreover, the natural aging process often enhances the look over time, deepening the wood's tones and enriching its texture, making each piece truly one of a kind. Ultimately, the move toward reclaimed wood in modern home furniture reflects a deeper cultural shift, one where aesthetics, ethics, and environmental awareness are no longer separate considerations. Today's homeowners want pieces that not only look beautiful, but also tell a story and stand for something. Reclaimed wood meets all those desires and more. It proves that modern design doesn't have to rely on sterile, mass-produced materials to feel fresh or stylish. Instead, the future of interior design may well lie in embracing the materials of the past, reimagined through the lens of sustainability and modern craftsmanship. Thank you so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.